Discover Maplex from Weidmann. 100% natural craft pressboard manufactured with FSC-certified unbleached pulp and water. Cellulose inherent hydrogen bond properties, fiber alignment during sheet formation, and drying processes eliminate the need for any chemicals and create natural, strong, and versatile material. No binders, no glue, no resin. Only cellulose, water, heat, and pressure. It's that simple. Maplex is natural, VOC-free, biodegradable, and recyclable. Available in high, medium, and low-density grades, Maplex is versatile. Flat and corrugated sheet patterns range in thickness from 0.5 millimeters to 9 millimeters. The master sheet size of 3,200 millimeters by 6,300 millimeters makes it easy to accommodate projects which may require customized sheet sizes. Maplex is delivered in its natural craft color. However, you can paint it, stain it, print it, and laminate it. Flexible processing of Maplex enables the material to be bent, formed, sheared, sawed, drilled, routed, punched, planed, and die cut. Let your imagination create beautiful, strong, and environmentally friendly spaces for healthier living. Use it in furniture, wall paneling, room dividers or screens, displays, doors, flooring, and waste containers. Don't limit your imagination.